When's this train coming? Been waiting here for about half an hour. Any sign of the train? Get me on the next train out of here. No, it appears I'm in some sort of abandoned railway station. Look at this. Let's have a look inside. The roof's missing. The roof is not there. So I'm just doing a bit of urban exploring here. I've come across what looks to be an abandoned train station. And this is Valladolid in Yucatan in Mexico. It looks like it's been a while since the last train has passed through here. The tracks are still intact. I do believe there is still a freight service that runs on the line, but passenger services haven't operated here for quite some time. I believe it's over 10-15 years since the last passenger service occurred here, so let's have a look inside. Yeah, there's nothing. The roof is missing. There's not much evidence of any sort of furniture or anything being left inside. It's all been taken away. The building's completely empty. Appears to be another sort of track here. Must be just for, I don't know, like storing trains or whatever. Perhaps. Mexico's railways are very minimal. There's almost no railways in Mexico. I'm not quite sure the reason for that, but let's have another look. That's the water tank over there. That looks to be someone's home, someone's house. But yeah, as you can see, the platform's pretty bad repair. Yes. And this appears to be maybe a more recent building, perhaps. Not quite sure if it's linked to the railway. Some sort of sink. This appears to be a toilet block. Yeah, some sort of toilet or shower, perhaps. Someone's knocked the wall through here. Looks like someone's living in this part here. Seems to be occupied, perhaps. Oh, there is someone in there. So yeah, that's the railway station in Valladolid.